Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and gorgeous miniature chessboard along with all the pieces, whole army, which are made using paper quilling strips in the combination of pink and blue. And this is actually the gift box inside which you can put any gift to your dad. And this is a great and super beautiful idea. You can use this as the showpiece as well. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking blue color cardstock which measures 22 by 22 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 3, 6, 16 and 19 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet, and from left side I have creased at 3, 6, 16 and 19 centimeters. Now we just need to chop all four corners like this. Can you see these creases? First cut on these two lines vertically, then chopping from the other side like this. So it should look like a step. And now I am repeating all the process with the similar method in all four corners. So here I am constructing the box for today's project. Now folding all the creases and burnishing it nicely using bone folder so that you will get nice crisp folds from all the sides, and then folding these flaps and constructing the box shape. So in this method you can create the sturdy box and you have double flaps on all four sides. So it will look nice finished and more sturdier than the normal boxes. And the box is ready, nicely done. Then I am making the lid. For this I am taking 16.2 by 16.2 pink color cardstock, and from left side I am creasing at 1.5, 3, 13.2 and 14.7 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet and again creasing at 1.5, 3, 13.2 and 14.7 centimeters. Then again cutting all four corners just like we did for the base box and creating the lid. Folding all the panels, burnishing it nicely and making the lid. So the lid is ready. Now I'm just putting it on top of the box, and yes, it is perfectly fitting, nice and finished. Now I'm starting with making the chessboard design. So here I have prepared this 1.2 centimeter squares inside 9.6 by 9.6 centimeter square, and then taking 1.2 by 1.2 centimeters blue color cardstock square pieces. So alternatively I am sticking it on these squares. So in total there are 64 square pieces inside the chessboard. So just to make the pattern of chessboard, I am alternatively sticking these blue color squares. And this is completely done. Looking very beautiful, isn't it? So the base is ready, and just to match with the base I have created the same color combination board. Now starting with making the pieces. So starting with pawn, and here I am taking half strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. For all the pieces I am using 3 mm strips only. So the tight coil is ready. Then just taking my pencil and making one small cone shape like this, tapping the top, and the height of the cone should be 1 centimeters. If you want to recreate or extend the size according to the base, you can change it. Now adding glue inside this to make it sturdy, and then taking 1/4 strip of light pink color, making one tight coil. Like this. Then taking 1/4 strip of dark pink color. Here I have just cut my 3 mm strip from center to make thin strip. And the tight coil is ready. Sticking it on top of the cone which we have created. And on this I am going to attach the pink color tight coil, the light pink one, like this. Similarly I have prepared already. So cute, isn't it? So the pawn is ready, and with a similar method we need total 8 pawns for one side of the army. Now starting with the bishop. For this I am taking 3/4 strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Then making one cone shape using this. Tapping the top of the cone again. Just checking with the another shape of the cone. The height should be same of both the bishops, and it should be 1.2 centimeters approx. Now filling this cone with glue. Like this, and then I am taking 3/4 strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Then I am taking one thin strip. To create this I have just cut the 3 mm strip from center like this, and this is the half strip. So again I am creating one tight coil. And then I am taking half strip of 3 mm dark pink strip. Just creating the teardrop shape, which is a tight teardrop. Now assembling all the shapes and constructing the bishop. And the bishop is ready. With a similar method I have already prepared one more bishop. Very easy. So this is done. Then I am starting with making the rook. For this I have already prepared this cone, which is made using 3/4 strip, just like we did before using 3 mm. Then I am taking 3/4 strips of thin dark pink strip, creating one tight coil. I am just sticking it on top of the cone. Then taking half strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Add little glue and stick it. One more half strip of tight coil of 3 mm with this. Then I am taking one very small strip of dark pink color 3 mm and making teeny tight coil. With the same method we need total 4 teeny tight coils. So I am just sticking these teeny tight coils on top of the cone shaped tight coil. First adding the double layer tight coils, and then on top of this I am adding these 4 small tight coils. and the rook is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more rook already. So cute and pretty. So this is also done. Then I am proceeding to create the knight. So I have done the cone shape already of 1.2 centimeter length. Then taking one strip of thin strip in dark pink color, making one tight coil. Then sticking the cone shape with this. I am taking half strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. And using the tight coil I am making tight teardrop shape. Like this. Then taking 1/8 strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. And making one tight teardrop shape. For the ears, similarly I have prepared one more. Then taking 1/8 strip of 3 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly, we need total 2 tight coils. Then taking the base and constructing the knight. So the knight is ready. So cute. Similar way I have prepared one more. So this is done. Then starting with making the queen. So I have already prepared some shape. The cone using 3/4 strip. 3/4 strip tight coil using thin strip, half strip tight coils and some teardrop shapes. Now adding all the shapes together. And the very beautiful queen is ready. Then starting with making the king. So for this I have prepared this 3/4 strip tight coil cone, 1.2 centimeter height. Then one strip tight coil which is thin strip, one strip 3 mm tight coil, 1/4 strip 3 mm tight coil, 3/4 strip 3 mm tight coil, 1/16 strip 3 mm teardrops and 1/16 strip 3 mm tight coils. Now I am joining all the shapes and constructing the king. So the king is also ready. Allow it to dry. Then all the shapes are ready, and with the similar method I have created the army for the blue color pieces as well. So this is completely done. Now it's time to assemble it on top of the chessboard. Now before sticking the pieces on top of the chessboard, it is very necessary to varnish this because we are using this as a gift box and the shapes of all the pieces should be sturdy and waterproof. So I am applying here varnish by Craft Gully to make it shiny and sturdy. Now just taking little glue on piece of paper, tapping it on bottom of each piece, and I'll start sticking all the army of blue and pink pieces on top of the chessboard. Similarly, I am doing with the pink pieces. And after attaching whole army, the chessboard should look like this. If you want to play with this chessboard, don't stick the pieces, just keep it as it is. Now just to decorate the box little more from outside and give little shine, I am attaching here gold colored strip. This is the gold mirror cardstock on the sides of the lid. Then putting back the box, and this beautiful gift box for Father's Day is ready. My father loves to play chess very much, so I'm going to gift the earpods inside the box. You can also put wallet, watch, chocolates, whatever you want inside this. And this is looking absolutely stunning. You can also use to decorate your showcases using this chessboard. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.